MiKayla here and welcome back to my channel this week. And today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, and it's pretty much a casual but pink and shimmery makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day if you're doing something a little bit more casual, or if you just don't want a big glam full makeup, then stay tuned for this look right here. But before we get into this video, you guys should definitely subscribe to my channel. Just smash that button right down here. It's red, it's big, you can't miss it. And also, if you have not already, you should follow me on Twitter. I will put the username right here, and the link is also down below in the description box. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right on into this video, shall we? Okay guys, so first I gotta put the hair back, so I'm gonna take my headband that I wear every single morning when I put my makeup on, so we just put this on. Yeah. And then, because this part always gets in my way when I put makeup on, I'm just going to take this scrunchie and I'm just going to put my hair in a low ponytail. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to put on my face is my BH Studio Pro Foundation Primer from BH Cosmetics. Woo! From BH Cosmetics, just looks like this. You can, it's kind of blurry. There we go. Looks like that. We're just going to apply this all over the face because, you know, primer is important. If I'm looking down, it's because my mirror is right below. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to put on my face is my foundation. And this foundation is True Blend by CoverGirl, and it's in the color Classic Ivory. You've seen this in so many of my other makeup tutorials because this is just, it's my favorite foundation. I love this foundation so much. And then, like you've also probably seen before, I put this on the bottom half of my face first, and I go back in with it and put it on the top of my face because it tends to dry a little bit easy. So I'm just gonna blend this in using my damp beauty blender. Now that my foundation is done, what I do is I go into eyeshadow right away, just so then when I'm done with my eyeshadow I can clean up the excess part that fell on my cheek with concealer. I just find it works best for me so we don't have a ton of fallout and stuff. So that's what we're going to do, and the eyes is pretty much the main part of this tutorial. So I'm going to take my Hard Candy eyeshadow primer. Just like that. I'm gonna take that. We're just gonna apply this all over the lids. It tends to, a little goes a long way with this stuff, so you gotta be really careful if you invest in this kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna apply this on my lids. eyeshadow, I'm going to be be taking my Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay. And I'm going to take, I do this look all the time, but I think this is a really good look if you are going for more of like a pink color for Valentine's Day. But why is it snowing again? Stop snowing! Anyways, for the lid color, I'm just going to take this color right here. Anyways, don't know if you can see that, but it's called Dust. And it's just this really pretty pink color. It has a lot of fallout. It's really messy, so if that's a problem, sorry. But, so I'm just going to take this color. And you really want a lot for this because it's a light kind of color. But I'm just going to apply this to my lid. I'm sorry if this gets out of focus at any point during this. Yeah. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so you can see. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's a very light pink color, so that's that. And then the next thing I'm going to take is my crease color, and I'm going to take the color Buzz off of this palette. It's a darker pink color, very shimmery, very shiny, very, very pretty. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to apply this to my crease. See that? It's kind of messy, but that's okay. I'm going to take my fan brush and I'm going to brush away all the excess because it's very messy. It's very messy eyeshadow, that's for sure. Why is it snowing? We just got so much snow last night that it's nuts, and it's snowing again, and it's like, no, just stop. I don't want any more snow. I just want spring. I want warm weather. Okay, so now that the eyeshadow is done, I'm gonna take my CoverGirl Invisible Concealer. Just looks like this. Am I showing you that correctly? I don't know. Just like that. So we're just going to apply this to my under eyes. This stuff also dries very fast, which is why I do it eye by eye. Alright, now that the concealer is on, that's the only place where I put concealer. Don't ask me why, I just do. Now that that's on, I'm going to take my CoverGirl Clean powder in the shade Creamy Beige. Clearly I love CoverGirl's face products. I really do like them a lot. They're They're cheap, they're drugstore, so I don't have money to buy a ton of high-end brand makeup products, but I'm just gonna take my kabuki brush and I'm just gonna apply this to all over. And next I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to take the powder and just dab this under my eyes so my concealer doesn't crease or anything. So yes. Alright, so this is where I would usually do eyeliner, but because this is supposed to be a basic makeup look, we're not going to do eyeliner. You can if you want to. Eyeliner really makes your eyes pop. It makes my eyes pop and I love eyeliner. But today I'm just going to apply some mascara for you guys, and you guys can put fake lashes on if you want. You guys can do eyeliner if you want. You can make this look however you want it. But for now, because it's supposed to be more casual than glam, we're just going to do mascara and skip the eyeliner. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Rocket Volume Express mascara. Love this stuff to death. And we're going to put this on my upper lashes. Done. So there's the top lashes. They're done. Completely done. So next for my bottom lashes, I'm going to take Fixie by Petra Lower Lash Mascara, and this is an Aspen Ovard's collection. Very great collection. Check it out if you have the time. But it's like just a really small wand like that, so it's perfect for your under lashes. So I'm probably going to go off of screen. I apologize if I do. So there's my bottom lashes. Now that that's done, as you can see, it's just a very soft pink look. Next, after this, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I'm not going to show it on here just because it takes time to do your eyebrows. Literally, it doesn't take me much time, but like, I just feel like it's not, I don't know how to say it. It's just, I'm not going to show it. I'm just not going to show it. I'll be back. Voila, they're done. Yeah, literally, I realized I didn't tell you what I use. I use L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Definer. Just looks like this. It's very skinny. It's just in the color blonde. There's a brush, a spoolie thing on the end. I comb through my eyebrows first and then I fill them in. So after that, I take my Fixie by Petra eyelash or eyebrow thing. It's also by Aspen Ovard. You get this with the mascara. It comes in the same thing. But I'm just going to take this and put it on my eyebrows so that they stay all day. Even though after I'm done filming this, I'm going to take this whole thing off. There we go. Okay, so we're almost done, guys, I promise. So the next thing that I do is I contour. I take my NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder. I was using the Tarte's Pro Glow thing for bronzer, but I just recently switched to this because I had this and I missed it. So I take this big brush. It's supposed to be a powder brush, but I use it for contour, and I just define my cheeks. And I also do up here. I'll go in with my e.l.f. blush in the color Blushing. I'm almost out of it. I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. Keep looking at myself. I need to look at the lens, gosh. So I'm just going to apply that. Yes, I smile when I apply blush. Don't at me. But now that that is done, it's time for highlighter. And I take the Tarte's Pro Glow palette thing, and I take the color Stunner for highlight. It's kind of this purpley tinted thing, but I just apply this. Boom. Don't you just love highlighter? It's a very defined look, but if you don't like that, you can go back with it and just kind of dim it down a little bit. Blend it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for everything. And you can apply a lipstick if you would like to, but because I'm not huge into lipstick, I'm not going to put anything on. And then I would take my makeup setting spray on my face, but literally because I'm going to take this stuff off of my face right after I'm done filming this video, I'm not going to apply that on my face right now. So so I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below. And question of the day is, what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? What are your big plans for that special V-Day? Or what were they? Because I guess this is going to be uploaded after Valentine's Day. So what were your plans for Valentine's Day, and what did you spend doing? If you're single, who did you go out with? What did you do? I'm probably just going to be home on my couch watching YouTube videos all night. So that's probably what I'll be doing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye!